Hey caregivers, Lisa Williver here from At Home with Dementia. And today we're answering the question, how do you divert your loved one's attention if they are having pretty constant cravings for sweets? So one of the things you can do, which we think is a wonderful idea, is to dress up something healthy. So that means you can get a bowl of strawberries or a bowl of watermelon or just mixed fruit. You can take something that's relatively healthy for your loved one and you can just add some whipped cream or add some Greek yogurt and put a couple of little sprinkles of blueberries on top to dress it up. But you can provide something to your loved one that's sweet and also healthy and will really look appealing to them and will make them want to sit down and feel like they've gotten a dessert out of you. Sometimes they're looking for chocolate. So if chocolate's what they're really craving, opt for a dark chocolate, something that's 70% or higher. And if you can do this, you can still make sure that they're not eating something super unhealthy, but you're also satisfying that craving. You may even want to mix up some strawberries with that dark chocolate. For more ideas and solutions, click on to the next video. Don't forget to join At Home with Dementia for a community of caregivers. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.